In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix sales report not downloading on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If your sales report is not downloading on Gumroad, this can interrupt accounting, tax filing, or sales tracking. Usually, this problem happens because of browser restrictions, extensions, large export ranges, or download settings. Now, if you want to fix sales report not downloading on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Gumroad account and going to the sales section. Next, open the reports area and click on export to download the report as a CSV file. After that, if the file still does not download, try using a different browser or open an incognito or private window and repeat the same process. Then, disable browser extensions like ad blockers or download blockers because they can sometimes prevent files from downloading properly. Now, check your browser download settings and make sure automatic downloads are allowed. After that, temporarily disable antivirus software if it is blocking downloads because some security tools may stop CSV files from downloading. Then, confirm that you have spreadsheet software installed like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets because sometimes the file downloads successfully but does not open automatically. Next, reduce the export date range if you are downloading very large reports. Large yearly exports may fail or take longer to generate, so try downloading monthly reports instead. Also, clear your browser cache and retry the export because corrupted cache files can interrupt downloads. Usually, this problem happens because of browser restrictions, extensions, blocked downloads, or large export requests. Carefully checking these settings normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By adjusting your browser settings and retrying the export properly, you can fix Gumroad sales report download issues and download your reports successfully.